നിങ്ങളുടെ കുറച്ച് അറ്റൻഷൻ ഇവിടെ കിട്ടിയിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് പരിപാടി തുടങ്ങാമായിരുന്നു. Yes. From the book of the Holy Bible in Genesis chapter 2 verses 22 to 24, it says that then the Lord God made a woman from the rib he had taken out of the man, and he brought her to the man. The man said, "This is now bone of my bones and flesh of my flesh. She shall be called woman, for she was taken out of man. For out of the man she was taken. And for this reason, a man will be united to his wife, and they will become one flesh." Dear family and friends, welcome to the betrothal function of Matthew Kuriakose and Dr. Anantita Stephen. Well, I am Hazel, and I will be your MC for today. I am Anu's first cousin. So, yeah, that's all about me. Firstly, I would like to thank all of you who have made it here from across the globe to celebrate with Anu and Vittu Chachan as they venture into this new journey. So, without much further ado, let me give a word about the reception organized for today. Uthakalyanam is a traditional engagement ceremony in Knanaya weddings, which are known for their unique customs that differ from different other Christian ceremonies. It has a biblical base as referred to in the Bible, chapter of Saint Luke. It says, it marks the beginning of wedding festivities. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate the completion of the ceremony in the church. It's a joyous occasion, and we are all here to share our happiness. Now, I would like to invite Thomas uncle of the Mangalatha family and Babu Kuriako's uncle of the Kalendra family to come on stage for the formal announcement of the Uthakalyanam ceremony and other ceremonies to be followed. Please come onto the stage. Dear family and friends, the moment we have all been waiting has arrived. It's time to welcome the bride and the groom. Yes, with hearts full of love and dreams of future together, they step forward to begin the next chapter of their lives. But a request order. We all will have to rise and join in celebrating the joyous entry of our beautiful bride, Dr. Anantita Stephen, and our handsome groom, Kuriakose Matthew. Well, I have a humble request to all. As they walk into this aisle, let us all rise and let us all clap so that it is more fun, right? Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Kuriakose Matthew and Dr. Anantita Stephen with us. It is time to sing the Lord's blessings upon the bride and the groom as they embark on the sacred journey together. For that, I would like to invite Reverend Father Anup C. Stephen Veliyatundil to lead us in prayer. Father, please come and join. That was a lovely prayer. Thank you. ചെറുക്കനപ്പേണ്ട സ്റ്റേജിൽ വന്നിരുന്നു, പക്ഷെ നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും അവരെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയുമോ? ഇല്ലേ? So we need introduction for the bride and the groom, isn't it? So now it's my absolute pleasure to introduce to you our charming groom, Kuriakos Matthew. First, Achachane kurichu parnittu and then we'll move on to the bride. So Mittu's journey of excellence began right here in Kerala, where he completed his schooling at Giridipam Bethany Central School and Luth School. With a strong foundation, he then moved on to pursue his undergraduate degree at the prestigious Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology. But Mittu Achachan's thirst for knowledge didn't stop there. He crossed borders to achieve his master's in software engineering from the Technological University of Shannon in Ireland, a testament to his dedication and drive for excellence. And let me emphasize that he was the only student from Rajagiri College to have achieved a full-time scholarship to pursue his masters in Ireland. Today, we are proud to say that Mittu Achachan is making remarkable strides in the tech world as a senior research engineering at Yahoo. Am I right? Yes. So that's all about Mittu Achachan, at least the educational background. Now it's time for our beautiful bride. Dr. Anantita Stephen. From a very young age, Anu has always been someone who exudes grace and brilliance. Her academic journey began at Sai Angel School in Chikmagalur, where she laid the foundation for what would become a remarkable career. With a passion for dentistry, Anu pursued her bachelor's in dental surgery from the prestigious Ramaya University of Applied Sciences. But she didn't stop there. Anu is currently diving deeper into her field, pursuing her master's in orthodontics and dentofacial orthopedics from KIMS Dental College in Bangalore. A true testament to her dedication and love for excellence. Now it is my great pleasure to invite Anu's cousin sister Anishma Chechi to the stage. She will introduce us to the Mangalatha family and share a bit about their journey and significance. Anishma Chechi, please join us on the stage, please.
Good evening all. I'm Anishma.
Thank you so much, Anishma Chechi, for that detailed introduction to the family of the bride. Next, it is my pleasure to invite the pretty Kezia Bijo, the sister of our groom, to the stage. She will be introducing us to the Kaletra family and sharing their story. Kezia, please join us on the stage and we look forward for the introduction to the Kaletra family. Come on, that was pretty, isn't it? Come on, give a big round of applause, please. Yes. Thank you so much for that detailed introduction, Kezia. That was pretty simple and beautiful. So as we move ahead, we have another important function to be done. The delightful and symbolic moment we begin with a cherished tradition, and that is the lighting of the lamp. Lighting of the lamp symbolizes the ushering of knowledge, purity, and divine light that guides and blesses the union of Mittu Achachan and Anu. It represents the illumination of their path as they embark on this new journey together, filled with love and harmony. At this moment, I would like to also invite the immediate members of the bride and groom to join us on the stage. Chachന്റെ അപ്പ അമ്മ കെസിയ, മംഗലത്തെ ഫാമിലിയിൽ നിന്ന് മിസ്സസ് സേറ സ്റ്റീഫൻ, അശ്വത് ഏബ്രഹാം സ്റ്റീഫൻ, അമ്മച്ചി, please join us on stage. Is in our hearts, and that is the inclusion of the Amachans. Yeah, the maternal uncles. In our tradition, the Amachans or the maternal uncles are deeply respected for their role in uniting families and providing their blessings. In addition, we embrace another significant tradition, and that is the Kozhithoda. This custom is a gesture of hospitality and goodwill. It symbolizes the warmth and generosity that are integral to our community values, marking a joyful and memorable part of the wedding festivities. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome Mr. M.A. Matthew Madakottal and Mr. Abraham Kuriyakottal with a heartfelt applause. Father Anup C. Stephen, onto the stage for your kind blessings for this beautiful tradition. Ini Parvadi, the official betrothal ceremony has come nearly to an end. So I invite the beautiful mother of the bride, Mrs. Sarah Stephen, onto the stage for the official vote of thanks. The counter is open actually. So, ini പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് പരിപാടിയൊന്നുമില്ല, but then we'll be having the cultural programs. ഒരു കുറച്ച് cultural events ഉണ്ട്. So you all enjoy it all. This is a celebration for each and every one of us. So let's all celebrate.